First of all, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. And if you are watching this video and it's not Christmas period, well, I made this video during Christmas period, so that makes sense, right? So anyway, today I'm going to show you guys on how to edit a photo with Picsart. Okay, so we're going to be turning this photo into this using Picsart application. And as usual, please make sure to like this video and also subscribe to my channel, that is if you're new here. So if you just did that, thank you, and then let's get right into today's tutorial. Alright, so I've opened the application and I've also imported the picture. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to head over to tools and then I'm going to click on adjust. Okay, so right now we're going to be setting up the brightness, contrast, saturation, highlight, shadow, and temperature. So let's do that. So for the brightness, we're going to be reducing it to 36. Then I come to contrast, I'm going to increase it to 35. And then for saturation, I'm going to increase it also to 34. And then for the highlights, I'm going to increase it also to 29. And then shadow, I'm going to increase it 34. And then for temperature, I'm going to decrease it. I'm going to take it to 47 or 42 minus 42. Okay, that makes sense. So then I'm just going to click on OK. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a photo. So I come to add photo. Then I'm going to increase the size and put it over here. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to create a copy of it. So we're going to come above here and click on this tool right here, and then I'm just going to click on duplicate. Yeah, then so after we've done that, we're going to turn it upside down or flip it over, whichever you want to use. So I'm just going to do this like this here. Yeah, something like that. Then what we're going to do now is we're going to reduce the opacity. So we just take this to, I don't know, let's say 71. Yeah, 71 will do. And then after that, I'm just going to go to adjust, and then I'm going to reduce the brightness to minus 40. Yep, then I click on OK. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to click on erase icon, which over there. Then I'm just going to take hardness to 100. Alright, so I'm just going to clean this part, something like that. Okay, so I'm going to be using restore to cover this part up. Alright, so to make the video short, I'm just going to increase the speed, and I will see you guys in a bit. And by the way, if you are still watching this, please like the video and then also subscribe to my channel. I have a wish of getting 3,000 subscribers before my birthday next month. So yeah, I want to get to 3,000 subs before 26th of January next year. And chances that it's not going to happen, but you know, there's no bad thing in wishing, right? So you guys are doing that can make it happen. So I'm just telling you. So yeah. So please like the video and subscribe. Thank you. Alright. That took me 3 hours, 45 seconds. Wait, 3 hours, 45 minutes, 40 seconds. Nah, I'm just joking. It took me a while though. It was definitely long. But anyway, it was worth it. So yeah, you just see what I just did, and then you can just do that also. And then yeah. So after we've done that, we're just going to click on okay. Then after we have done that, then we are just going to click on OK again. Yeah, so that's all for today's video. I hope the video was helpful. If it was helpful, make sure to like this video, please. You see, I said it, please, right? So please like this video. So it's make me happy, and it's also helped me to know number of people that actually watch this video and actually like the video. For example, if 50 people like the video, then it means 50 people actually watch this video and they actually like the video. So and then also share with someone if you may find the video helpful, and then also subscribe to my channel so that my wish can come to pass. Yeah, I guess I'll see you guys next week Friday. So yeah, bye for now.